welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out some new makeup. Well, one of the items is new and the other two items I don't think they are new, but they're new to me, from OFRA Cosmetics. I've wanted to try out these products for the longest time, and when Steph Thoms brought out her new Milk and Cookies highlighter, which I'm very excited to try, I had to buy it from America because they were out of stock on Beauty Bay by the time I looked. So I didn't get long. I think it was about 3 hours after release and they'd sold out. But I bought them from America, from OFRA. And then I chucked a couple of palettes in with my order as well. And I thought I'd kind of do pretty much a full face with it. I've done my foundation, concealer, powder and brows, but everything else I'm going to do from these. So I've got the Mini Mix palette, which is the Good To Go palette. So this has got eyeshadows, it's got a highlighter in, but I'm obviously going to use the other one, a bronzer and a blush. It looks like this, which is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love this. These colours are just gorgeous. This green is beautiful. And I really like this kind of corally shade here as well. The bronzer actually looks really, for some reason, in the pan, I mean it is a little bit darker than I'd normally go for, but in the pan it doesn't look as dark as it does on camera. So yeah, we will see. And then I've got another eyeshadow palette, which is all shimmers. This is actually really pretty. So it's these colours here. And this is the Glitch 2000 palette. So I don't even know if I'm going to use this one and that one. I just don't know what I'm going to do. I never do. And then the, as I say, the Steph Thoms Milk and Cookies highlighter, which looks like that. It's kind of like half and half. And then we've got like a champagne sort of side, and then a slightly more, I don't know, like an icier side. So you can use one or the other, or you can use them both together. So yeah, again, don't know what I'm going to do. I'll decide when I get to that point. So I'm going to start off by swatching these eyeshadows just to see what they're like. Okay, so this is what the swatches look like. They're really pigmented, really pigmented. The shimmers are just stunning. So that was from this one, the Good To Go palette. And then these ones are from the Glitch palette. So really, really nice. I'm terrible at swatching. I always put it on the wrong part of my arm and then you can't see it on camera. But yeah, really, really pigmented. I'm actually really looking forward to trying this out. So I think I've decided what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go with the brownie colours here and the green. And then I'm going to kind of try and work in somehow this darker khaki shade in here as well. Fingers crossed. So yeah, let's begin. Right, so I'm starting off in my crease with this shade here.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
That's nice. It's kind of like an orangey brown, which I quite like. Okay, so I'm going to give that a little blend.
Circles in my mind right now, and it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let.
Oh, I like these. These blend well. Right, although I haven't lost much of the colour, they are really pigmented. I'm just going to go over again. Okay, so I've just gone over that again. I cannot get over how well these blend. Really, really easy. So just above that shade, I think I'm going to go in with this quite pale, almost like, it's a bit peachy shade there. I'm just going to kind of try and overlap and then blend these two together.
Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine the way that it was.
Yeah, really nice. I love how they blend together. So then on this outer, I'm just concentrating on my actual lid. I'm not going beyond that today. I'm going to go in with that kind of khaki green from the other palette. So this one here. there. That's really nice. Okay, minimal fallout. I think I've got like 1 or 2 specks just here, which is great. Right, so on the inner half of my eye, I'm going to go in with that really nice like mint green shimmer. So that's this one just here. I want this one to really shimmer, like pop. So I'm going to use my brush and my finger for this.
It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright. So let me down.
God, that's gorgeous. Absolutely love that. And it blends in with that one so well. They just kind of merge together without any effort. Oh, that's beautiful. Right, okay. Nice. So underneath, I think what I'm going to do underneath is take this darker green just kind of to there. And then I'm going to use the 2 shades that I used in the crease and just above, kind of under that. I'm going to try and somehow to do it underneath. God knows. If in doubt, wing it.
Leather jacket, though, is too cold. Saw your face.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was going for. Now I'm going to go with the highlighter one in the middle of this one. I think I'll go for this one here. So the kind of mid champagne. It's not quite as goldy as that one, but it's that one there. Lovely. Right, okay, I'm just going to go and pop that on the other eye as well, and then we'll try out the bronzer and the blusher and the highlighter. Right, okay, so there's the eyes finished. So the next thing I'm going to do is bronzer. So I'll be going in with this one here. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. It's not too dark at all. It's just right, actually. I think it's the kind of one that is quite buildable. Ooh, but yeah, that's just the right amount for me. Yeah, that's added a nice bit of colour actually. Right, we'll try the blush next then. So it's this one here. So it's kind of like it's quite a pink one for me. It's more, I'd say, of a rose tone. So I don't know what this is going to be like. I normally go for more peachy shades. Just tap a little bit off, just because I don't know how pigmented it is. Quite cute actually.
Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers.
Yeah, I really like that. Right, highlighter. Well excited about this. So we're going with Milk and Cookies. So they look like this. Nice. I think I might actually go for this one here today.
My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you.
just realised it actually smells like cookie. It's got a really sweet smell. I didn't realise till I just went to do that. Oh, I love that. That's really, really nice. Right, okay, I'm just going to pop a bit of lippy on and then I'll be back. Okay, so here is the finished look. I absolutely love this, really love it. Those palettes are so nice. The eyeshadows blend absolutely brilliantly and they've got just the right amount of pigment in as well. And the bronzer I really like, the blusher I really like, the highlighter is amazing. I love every single thing I've used today. Like really, really like it. So here's the eyes close up. This green is just a real bit of me. I absolutely love that. It's really nice mint sort of green shimmer shade and it's just beautiful. And I just love the blend on these two colours here in the crease. I just think they've blended so, so well. And even that dark green on the outside, bearing in mind that's a shimmer as well, when I put it on with a brush, it actually went on really nice. And can I say, no fallout either. Really happy. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.
Every soul